In this course, you will learn to develop your skills in Fusion 360 by designing, modifying, simulating and 3D printing your own microdrone chassis. Through a series of basic sketches and parametric 3D modeling, you'll learn to create a functional drone chassis. Additionally, you will analyze your chassis and learn to reduce the weight of your drone to help improve performance. Before moving into finite element analysis or simulation to help identify weaknesses in your design. Once your chassis is completed, you'll learn to send your file to Print Studio to prepare your chassis for 3D printing. Additionally, you'll learn to fully assemble the drone using joints and as-built joints, then creating 2D drawings of your assembled drone with parts lists to help manufacture and create a fully functional flying drone. Finally, creating photorealistic renders of your drone in an environment with decals from sponsors.